Hello everyone, my name is Divine Favor Richard and welcome to another episode of Getting Started with Nova Scout. So in this particular tutorial, you're just getting into Nova Scout. You need to understand how the platform actually works and how to create an account, right? So to create an account, I'm sure you already know what Nova Scout is an AI powered CV generation, job tracking, and all the way to interview preparation platform. But for now, we'll be focusing on how you can create your account. All you need to do is go to the sign in button at the top, right? The next screen is going to take you to a login screen that all you need to do is use your Google account. So continue with Google and then you pick the account. I will go with this one. And then after this, you'll be taken to a payment screen where you can pick what pricing package you would want to invest in your career. It depends on which particular feature you are looking into. For a starter, I will go with navigators, right? So it could be beginner, pro, navigators, explorer, whichever one you want to go. So let's get started with this particular one. And the Paystack, the payment gateway, is going to come up, which is Paystack. In the future, it could be Flutterwave. You make your payment and then it directs you automatically to the app. We've been able to create our account. We want to start using the platform, right? We're going to start from scratch so that you understand the itty-gritty of it, right? Of course, you could go read through the onboarding steps carefully so that you understand exactly how to use the app. But since you're watching the tutorial video, we could just go straight into it. The first thing we want to do is put our names, right? So let's have a test name. Let's call John Doe, right? John Doe. You don't need to put your title just yet. Let's say put in your email. The most important thing for you to start off with are your personal information, right? 130 for the dates. All right, and your location, your LinkedIn profile. It's always good for you to have one. If you do not have, please get one. So that's linkedin.com/in and John. Alright, so if you're not a developer, you might not have a GitHub profile, but if you have a portfolio as well, you could put it in there. Now that my personal information is done, the next thing I want to do is go get my education, right? Because these are informations that need to be present across every iterations of my CV. So for my education, any whatsoever university, BSc, economics. Either way, and just punch in all the necessary details. You could add anything more, maybe like relevant, courses, whatever thing you want to add, you could always put in there. But let's not dilly-dally on it. And of course, if you have multiple educations, you can add more educations, right? So in this case, we've been able to put in the basic information and then preview it rather. The next thing we want to do is tailor our CV, right? And as much as I want to put it in a different video, let's still keep it on this one, right? So we go to the tailor side and then the job post. This is where we're going to be inputting the job post for any job that we want to tailor our CV to. This is the end of this video. I'll see you in the next.